So hello everyone, this is Hitesh Ahuja from Team Richards. We just completed our pre-assignment of Hackathon. So here is some example explaining this thing. So we have just used Astra DB and Langflow DataStax. So here's the explanation. So we have just created an social DB name database. We have created our collection, social DB collection, and here's the data store inside it. So we have stored around 30 plus data inside it. So let's get into Langflow. So here we build and wire using Langflow solo code. So just we have reported the file will be split into text and it get into the Astra DB, which will reflect it to here storing OK. After that we use chat input, where the input will be begin with this, and we have just retrieved the result and passed the result. After that we just entered into Groq API, because Groq API was easy to use as compared to OpenAPI 3.5, because 3.5 throwing some errors, while 4 and 4 plus include premium membership. So we have just used Groq API. Also we have combined the text with prompt and chat input. After that we just send it all details to OpenAPI and Llama. It is Llama, right? Llama 3.1. So after that generated text will be the chat output. So here we have run this. Let me run this once again so you know how it outputs show. Let's just go into playground. So here is some another output, I don't know. So we have some example. So let's enter this, what is the average engagement for carousel post. So let's check what is the output. Flow is running. So carousel posts have 34% higher engagement than text post. The output is pretty similar to the given response, like give an example output from the assignment. So let's check the second one. What is the average share in carousel? So we have just entered the prompt like that, so it respond according to our prompt. So here we have output, flow is running. So carousel post have an average share of 34. So let's check how many likes on the reels. So we just entered our prompt and flow is running. So reels are 40.5 higher than compared to like video. So it's comparing with other post types, so it is similar to the response that was example output on assignment. So let's get into the GitHub page where we have all the details and exported the Langflow. From here we have exported that. So here we have exported JSON format. It and Python step to generate some random data post. After that we have some data unlike this. We have app.py, which have API and other details while fetching the details. So I will not get into that because have some in depth here to show, like we use this one. After that let's go to our web application and check out the response we have. So here we have social media analyzer and we hosted this on localhost 5000. So here are the example of how much the data is saying. So here we have all the graph that show like, shares, comments, and average likes, average share, average comments. So here is our chat box. So let's just chat with our bot. So let me type how many likes in the reel. So our bot is typing. So reels have the highest average like with 83.5 like per post and IGTV. So it respond according to our prompt. So here I have post types extended with these things. The example post on the pre-assignment was less than this, but we use more. So this is the output. Check some more examples. So like what is the average engagement for casual post? So our bot is typing. So carousel posts have 54% higher engagement than IGTV posts, and this show in the graphical format all the graphs.